Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can view saved passwords in Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So let's go quick into the process. Now we need to bring up our Microsoft Edge browser first. So type here Edge in the Windows search bar, best match, click on that. Now let me show you. So I'm going to sign in with my Google Drive account. So I'll click on the sign in. Now if I click on sign in, and if I'm going to click on this email or phone, you will have this how to fix guides and 5@gmail.com. So these are the accounts or email accounts that has been saved or that have been saved into the Microsoft Edge. And under it are the passwords, the one with the dot. So these are the passwords. So that means that the account and the password has been saved in my Microsoft Edge browser. Now, how we can view this? Okay, so we need to open a new tab. Click on the plus sign symbol and then just simply close all of these tabs at the top. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Click on that. Click on settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options right here, you have profiles as the first option. Go ahead and click that. In the list of options in profiles, you have payment info, passwords, and personal info. Click on the passwords. Now here in passwords, I have two accounts signed in the Microsoft Edge browser. So we want to view this password. Click on this. Now enter your Windows password. I'm going to enter mine first. Click on OK. Then here I have this 5@gmail.com and how to fix guides@gmail.com. So if I want to view the password of these email accounts, this is also a great way on how you can view your password for your email accounts that you have signed in into the browser, especially if you forgot the password. Now you will notice this I symbol, show password. I symbol, show password. You just have to click on that. Now I don't want to click on that because I don't want to show my password, but this is how you can view the saved passwords of your accounts logged in into the Microsoft Edge browser. So you just have to click on this I symbol and then I symbol and then you're good to go. So if you forgot the email password of your email account and you want to sign in into your like any other like Google account and then like your Google Drive account and then you forgot your password, then here's the way on how you can view it. So this is just very simple, but this is a very effective way. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.